Good morning. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of this iPad 10th generation, 256GB in pink. And apart from the iPad, I also have the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, as well as the Logitech Slim Folio case for the iPad 10th generation. This one has already been opened in the store, so let's just take a quick look around the box. On top, it says Slim Folio case with integrated Bluetooth keyboard, iPad 10th generation. We have some information regarding the keyboard itself, picture of the iPad with the keyboard, and Logitech down below. All of the importer's information and whatnot are down here. Nothing on this side. On top, we just have the importer's information from Malaysia, Slim Folio, Logitech, and on the back we have pictures of people using the keyboard, more features about the keyboard, and right here it says what's inside the box. Okay, so just open it up. And right here we have the keyboard itself. Here we have the paperwork for the keyboard. And let's put this one aside. And here we have the keyboard. It says Logi right there. If I can figure out how to open this up. Okay, so it opens up like that. We have the keyboard right here. The iPad obviously goes in here and you can rest it like this. And here it says Logitech Crayon, digital pencil for iPad, and made with Apple Pencil technology. So basically, they have their own version of the Apple Pencil. Okay, so let's put the case aside. And now let's go on to the pencil. On the front, picture of the pencil. It says Apple Pencil on the bottom and the top. Nothing on the left and right sides of the box. And on the back, we have a guide to tell you how to pair the pencil with your iPad. More information about the pencil, importer's information from Malaysia, and more barcodes and whatnot about the pencil. Okay, so to get into the box of the pencil, pull this strap right here. And then we pull the box out. Designed by Apple in California. And in this pack, we have the safety and handling guide, regulatory compliance information, Apple 1-year limited warranty, this one is for Thailand, and that's about it for the paperwork. And further inside, we have the pencil itself, still wrapped in the plastic, so let's open it up. Right, so here is the Apple Pencil. Pull this out to reveal the USB-C port, and you connect the USB-C cable in here, connect the other end to the iPad, and you can charge and pair the Apple Pencil. Okay, so let's put the pencil aside and get to the iPad itself. Let me just zoom out a bit. Right, so let's take a look around the box. On the front, picture of the iPad. On the bottom and the top, Apple logos. The Apple logos together with the iPad wordings on the left and the right sides of the box, they're all color coded to the color of the iPad that you buy. Since I have the pink one right here, the Apple logos and the iPad branding, they're all in pink. On the back of the box, it says 256 gigabytes, iPad 10th generation Wi-Fi, what's included inside the box in several languages, what is required to operate the iPad. And down here we have more product information about the iPad together with the barcode, serial number and whatnot. So as usual, to gain access to the box, we pull the straps at the top and the bottom. Turn the box around. Then we lift the cover up. And right on top, we have the iPad itself. Let's put it aside. And right here, we have the paperwork designed by Apple in California. And in this pack, iPad, an iPad. I believe these are the tips in English. I believe this would be either Malay or Indonesian. And we have Chinese right here. Okay. Here we have your energy information, again in 3 languages. And here we have Apple stickers in white. Okay. Here we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. It is the new braided type, so it should last longer. And here we have the plug to charge the iPad. Okay, now let's get to the iPad itself. Get the plastic wrapping off. The pink is actually really nice. Here we have the camera, obviously, the Apple logo, iPad at the bottom. On the bottom we have the USB-C port. On the right side, we have the volume controls. On the left side, we have the magnetic connectors for the Apple Pencil. On the top, we have the speakers and the power button. Also, I forgot to mention, we have speakers on the bottom as well. And let's just turn on the iPad for its first boot up. Okay, Apple logo. Okay, so I turned off the ring light to see better. So now let's just swipe up to open. Right here we can select the language. We will do English, Malaysia. Okay. Appearance. Let's just do default for now. Continue. Quick start. Set up without another device. Written and spoken languages, preferred languages, keyboard. Okay, continue. Choose a Wi-Fi network. Let me just enter the information. Okay, so the Wi-Fi has been entered. And now it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Okay, data and privacy. Continue. Set up iPad. Set up for myself, although it's not mine. I will set up Touch ID later. Oh, you know what? Let me just enter it right now, even though it's not my iPad. Okay, so basically the sensor is right here, and you just continuously tap on it. Capture all your fingerprint. Continue. Fingerprint has been added. Continue. Add another fingerprint. Set up later in settings. Create an iPad passcode. I'll be back. Okay, so I've entered the passcode. It says it's asking to transfer your apps and data. You have several options. You have from iCloud backup, from another iPad, from Mac or PC, and from Android. And you also have don't transfer anything, which I will choose right now. I have the Apple ID. Since it's not my iPad, let me just click this part right here, forget password. I don't have Apple ID. You have more options where you can select forget password or Apple ID, create a free Apple ID, or set up later in settings. Let me just set up later in settings, don't use for now. Terms and conditions, agree. Update your iPad automatically, continue. Location services, let me just enable for now. Siri, set up later in settings. Screen time, continue. iPad analytics, share with Apple. App analytics, don't share. Light or dark, let me just do light for now. Welcome to iPad, get started. And there we have the iPad all set up. Obviously you can scroll through the displays. We have the map, the time and whatnot. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this iPad 10th generation 256GB Wi-Fi only in pink, along with the Logitech SimFolio keyboard and the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Thanks for watching and goodbye.